Hey guys, John here, founder of 10xpro.io. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make more money when people say no. Because the truth is, guys, most people are going to say no. So what you want to do, you want to focus on that. You want to focus your marketing on having contingency plans in place for when people say no. Because when people say yes, it's going to be 1 to 3%, let's say, right? Sales conversions, 1 to 3% usually. So you have a sales page, great. You know that 3% might buy, but 97% did not buy. So if you don't have a plan to take care of those 97%, to follow up with those 97%, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So that is how you want to always make sure that your marketing strategy, your campaigns, you want to cascade your campaigns based on when people say no. That is really the number one secret. And when you do that, when you have a marketing plan in place, when you have your whole entire cascade set up based on when people say no, for example, you invite them to a webinar, they say no, what are you gonna do? Well, I'm gonna invite them to maybe a quiz, or I'm going to invite them to a video series, or I'm going to cascade them into a special limited time offer for another product. Great, so now you have another plan, another opportunity for you to get that extra 3%, right? So let's say you have 3% on the first offer, 97% don't buy. You cascade them to the second offer, so now 3% buy. And 97% do not buy. So then they fall down. Now it's 3%. So now you have 3%, 3%, 3%. So you're always increasing your profits by making sure you have a contingency plan in place and making sure that you can switch your marketing on the fly based on what they do. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.